Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Baser. Today I'm going to share something very special. How to become a master in English. If you really want to speak English confidently and naturally, then stay with me till the end. Because these simple tips can change your English forever. 1. Listen every day. The first step is listening. Listen to English songs, short stories, or YouTube videos. Your ears will start understanding English sounds automatic. 2. Read simple English books. Start reading easy books or short stories. Reading improves your grammar, vocabulary, and your way of expressing thought. 3. Speak without fear. Never be afraid to speak. Even if you make mistakes, keep talking. Remember, mistakes are not failures, they are your best teacher. 4. Learn 5 new words daily. Make a habit of learning 5 new words every day. Use them in sentences. This way you'll remember them forever. 5. Watch and repeat. Watch English movies or short clips and try to repeat the dialogue. It improves your pronunciation and helps you sound more natural. Write something daily. Write a short diary. A few sentences or even your thoughts in it. Writing helps your brain think in English. 7. Be consistent. The biggest secret is consistency. Even 15 minutes a day is better than 2 hours once a week. Keep practicing and one day you'll realize you've become a master. So friends, remember, learning English is not about speed, it's about patience and daily effort. If you keep practicing every single day, English will become your best friend. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English with Baser for more easy English learning videos. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep shining.